Welcome to SR Empower Academy. We are providing a lot of content for JEE Mains, EAMCET, NEET Aspirants with free of cost. Let's go through the step-by-step process to access the content at SR Empower Academy. 1. Download SR Empower Academy app from Google Play Store. 2. Open the SR Empower Academy app. 3. On the home screen, click on the batch icon. 4. Choose the JEE Mains, EAMCET, NEET Daily Test batch. 5. In the Study Materials section, you'll find reference materials, unit level bit bank, previous year topic-wise bit bank, important bit bank and syllabus. 6. In the Referral Materials section, you can access reference books for subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, and biology. 7. The unit level test and solutions provide topic-wise MCQs with solutions for maths, physics, and chemistry. 8. Last year topic-wise questions with detailed solutions for maths, physics, and chemistry. 9. In syllabus section we provided JEE Mains, EAMCET and NEET latest updated syllabus. SR Empower Academy conducting daily regular tests for intermediate students. Daily tests, unit level tests, mock tests. Please contact SR Empower Academy team, 9154147801. Thank you.